Hey guys, how are you? I'm about to get into the winner of the Spiralfast competition in a very special location. But before I do, Michael's reached out from Spiralfast and he really liked the video, so that's good. And he's suggested as a result that anyone of my viewers from around the world who clicks on the link below in the next month gets free shipping on their product, and that's actually quite a substantial discount. So let's get into the video, find out all about it. And if you guys weren't the winners, you can still click on the link below and get yourself some Spiralfast and get out there fencing. Bernie James, you lost a quad bike, but you gained 10 Spiralfast, mate. I couldn't go past your story about losing your quad in the dam. It broke my heart. I hope you got it going again. But, you know, small consolation, at least you get 10 Spiralfast sent to you. So jump onto my YouTube channel, send your address to me, and we'll get a pack of 10 Spiralfast posted out to you, mate. Hope you enjoy them. Anyway, enough of the gas bagging, time to go snowboard. May as well enjoy winter while it's here. Oh, what am I doing? First ascent in 3 years. Oh, nearly broke my knee on the first try.